After we install the stacking part, now we are going to install the UV LED curing. This cable is UV LED curing signal cable. This one is UV LED control box. First, insert UV LED light cable. It have a 4 pin and find the same position and as the part. Then insert. Here have a 2 concave end here. Yes. Then insert and cut the screw. Second, insert the UV signal control cable. It have 3 pin. Okay, insert. Then connect the 2-piece cool water tube. Put one tube to the inlet or outlet, both okay. Then connect the other tube to the rest one. Fourth, open this cap. Inject cool water to the cooling tank. Inject water to 5 or 6. You can see the water here. Fifth, insert the power cable, plug it to the socket. After we install the UV curing system, we can power on the machine to check the UV curing system. Choose English language. First, we have power on the UV LED. This power on this. If no water in the cool tank, this long LED will be lit up. Then we can enter the operating panel, click manual screen button. Manual screen button and click LED test. After you click the LED tester, click again LED tester, then the LED curing will light up. One important thing, you must fill water to the cool tank. If no cool water in tank, UV curing system will be long. Also, this long LED will light up. Also, it will damage the UV LED if no water in this cool tank.